I won't tell you guys what babe just said. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new sunny cold day here. Yeah, I think you guys paint the picture. We've been up and doing just about everything around here all day today. So much to name. Even Jen stopped by. I didn't take out the camera. Jen, I've been seeing Jen. You guys haven't been, but I've been seeing Jen. I just haven't taken out the camera whenever she's around for some unknown reason. I don't know why. No specific reason. No explanation to that. But we're about to go on the road. We're about to go on the road. We're going. What am I doing? We're going on the road because my friend, my Jamaican friend Danielle, went to Jamaica lately. And bring back, you ready to hear, or maybe by the title is there, I don't know. She bring back, should I just put it on the table and say my favorite Jamaican thing to eat? No, I can't say that. Well, babe say, only thing he can say is by tonight there will be no more, and that's a fact. Danielle went to Jamaica and Danielle bring back. Can you guess? If it's not in the title, guess in the comment section what you think Danielle bring back from Jamaica for me, and I'm going to pick it up right now. Dun, 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 dun. Tyler, you want to come and tell Faves what? Yes! But you have to say hello first. Get your step. Say hello. Say wagwan.
Wagwan. Patty. Where's the patty? Where's the patty? Where's the patty? Where's the patty? Mama, where's the patty? I want to eat patty right now.
We're going for it. Sarah, say hello, Faves. And another good news, Sarah potty training continues to go well. Right now, my girl don't even have a diaper. Hello. Hey. My girl don't even have on diaper right now. You see me, and we're going on the road. But before we go on the road, what we're gonna eat before we head out?
Galette de roi.
Tell them what is galette de roi. No, don't show them. Tell them, and then you show them after.
Galette that has something in it that name fave, and we need to eat it just cut when we find it.
Okay. Do you guys get it?
And the one that has the one that has the face put on this crown.
So let me show you what it is if you don't know what it is before I cut it. This is 50% butter. So it's not healthy at all, but it tastes so good. It's called galette de roi in French, and it's for the tradition and for the fun of it. It have a hidden thing inside of it, and whoever get it is called fave. Whoever get it is crowned king. But we always let Tyler find it every year just to let him be the king. Sarah don't really understand yet, but when Sarah can understand, then that's going to be whoever get it. There'll be no preference when Sarah can understand what's going on. So we're about to eat galette before we head out because it's snack time around here. But I like my galette warm. I think French would despise me if they know that I warm my galette. No, honey, no? You warm it?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So it's not bad. Babe say yes, they do warm it. Come say hello to the faves. So I'm about to cut in the galettes. Let's see if I'll cut on the fave or it will be in somebody's sandwich.
That's one thing. Every time we cut the galette, there's 50% chance that you cut and you
cut on it.
On it, so you know where it is. So let's see. By the way, hi guys. This is the weekend. We finally could have rest, but somebody came and disturbed us. Jen She came at nap
time. Jen came. Oh my gosh.
And at the beginning of nap time, we just went in the bed. I was about to turn off my phone and I saw a call. I was like, okay, babe, 5 minutes. You want to be king?
Yes.
You think you're gonna find it?
You want yours warm, Ty?
As long as it's like last year.
Of course.
I'll make it explode. Alright. Let's warm the gullets. Let's see if Sarah will take a bite. I love gullet, but because it's so fatty, I'll only have it once for the year. So I won't let this opportunity pass without me having, because this body, girl, when summer come and I step to the pool, girl, Tyler, get the first slice of gullet.
Mama, can you tell me if it's in there?
No, I won't tell you if it's in there. You have to bite it and find it. So you can start eating yours.
I think it's in mine.
You think it's in it? Maybe. Ooh, hot. I make it too hot? Alright, so if it's too hot, I have to warm Papa one less.
It's in mine.
It's in yours? How do you know?
I saw it.
Look at his face. You saw it? Honey, here's yours. Sarah, come for eat.
So we're just going to enjoy since we know I have it.
Go and sit. Go to the table. Take your plate. So that means you're crowned. Come, let me crown you. Let's crown the king. Let's crown the king. Let's crown the king. I hope Sarah not cry for it.
Numbers.
What numbers? Christmas finish, boy, your numbers. Look at the king. It'll match your outfit too. Sarah said numbers, like she thinks it's Christmas time. Look, it's not numbers, Sarah, it's gullet. Ah, what do you want? She push it away, she want numbers. She want chocolate. Anyway, you guys, we're gonna go enjoy gullet. So we'll catch you guys later. I'll always be fascinated by French buildings. I just passed one right in a hotel, and you'll never know it's a hotel unless you look at the writing to see what it is. Look at this one. This apartment. I like the stone buildings. Apartments everywhere. You look justified. I did wash yesterday. Tongues! Tongues! She said she looked like a ragamuffin.
You look frightened.
You didn't wash? So, weekend thing. You're good though.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. How was Jamaica?
Listen.
Short but spicy.
Listen,
My
exactly
gosh.
Short but spicy. And I'm up a belly.
Not you! Live your best life. You eat some festival and fish for me.
Listen,
Ah!
I eat about 3 fish, 3 festivals, bami, breadfruit, ackee and salt.
Tappy! Ah, I'm jealous. I'm gonna knock off them and know them party and all last till tomorrow.
Listen.
Dinner right now.
Listen, yes.
Thank
Don't give
you,
up
my
the
love.
baby.
Thank.
No.
Papi, you wicked.
Sammy.
Love the Christmas gift. Tell her how we got crazy over the Christmas gift, no babe. The Christmas gift, the clock.
The clock, yeah.
I was so surprised. Loved it. Loved
I
it.
hope that you guys would like it.
Love it.
As I
Love
put
it.
the thing in there, you don't have to put it as a clock. You can frame it or whatever.
It's
But
definitely
When
gonna
we
be a
saw
clock.
it, we were saying, what is that?
What is this? I said, babe, what is this? Is this a record?
We
What the
didn't
hell?
saw the clock like instantly.
you love the album cover?
I don't even go back to look at it all. No.
What the heck? Yeah.
Yeah, it was a
For
good
the
one.
ugliest, oldest album cover.
I was saying
to
a
kind of
record.
throw it
Why would
off.
Danny get me a record? What the hell am I gonna do with a record?
Yeah, pretty much. So it worked.
It worked. It was a good disguise. Good one. Say hello to JD for me.
I will.
And thank you for my patties.
Enjoy. Sorry I never got the
I'm going to go home to
other,
kill them right now.
because I saw cocoa bread, but it was coconut roll you
No,
wrote.
coconut roll.
So I was very sorry. I'm gonna ask for a care package and ask him.
That's why you're telling me about coconut bread. Y'all, if y'all know this man that I have to deal with in this house. You guys.
Now, what's the color?
Hey, you see this? Patsy! Oh God. The ear just slapped me.
Why is it with an unbaked patty? I'm playing.
That's what it said?
No, it's with unbaked patty.
After me never know, I didn't know that they sell unbaked patty. I won't tell you guys what babe just said. Ow. 2, 4, 6. Thank you, Dan. So we have 3 cheese patty and 3 beef patty and 3 chicken patty. Watch me sexy. And Daniel also gave us banana chips. We ate 1 in the car and we have. Oh, she gave us 5. And Daniel gave me something that is the first I am seeing this. This is called Scotch Bonnet Pepper Powder. I didn't know that this exists. Love it. Anyway, you guys, remember I told you guys before I go on vacation that I get this man a gift.
This man?
Well, the gift. The gift has finally arrived.
She should just come from the supermarket.
Here, open. Let me see what you got. Mind you break it. What is wrong with you?
Boy!
Don't look in it, man. Just take it out. Babe! Okay, put your hand in. What?
I was saying, I don't have it already.
No, you don't.
I have a shirt. So
We're matching.
Oh, is me have a shirt and you have a hoodie?
Yes.
Okay.
So now you have Rudy. We're matching.
I'm a king.
He got the king hoodie. Now we're matching. We're matching.
It's written, I am your king.
Of course you're not king.
And I am your prince.
No, you're my
Of course
garbage.
you are.
No. 7.
You are my
Seven.
I have the crown.
Seven.
Yes,
Another man come
you
back
do.
to break.
You're 7.
In the break it pull.
No,
He's a what?
7.
He's a servant.
No, I'm not.
You're a prince. Yes, you are. Say, Mama says so.
Mama says so.
Thank you.
You're welcome, son.
It feels so much like a Christmas gift.
It is. You're so crazy. I love you too, boo.
What size you took?
The size that will fit you. Like I don't know my man's size. It's pretty. Anyway, you guys, we'll come back and show you guys eating the patty, because all of you Jamaicans who live in Jamaica that make me jealous, I'm gonna make you jealous today. You're gonna see me bite the patty.
Papi.
Y'all don't listen to me. Hello. It's not dinner time. You just had a banana. Go and eat your banana chips.
Papi.
Not now. Goodbye. I'm going to have to let all of you guys who don't have patty close by be a little bit jealous when you see me bite into this patty today. Yeah, girl. Sarah, first time eating Jamaican patty. Sarah, yummy? Alright, goodie. Yeah? Yeah? She eat it though. Aww. Yeah, girl. She eating it. Get tell a reaction on the chicken patty. Alright, I biting it and tell me how it is. Tell her teeth just come out. But you bite the crust. I want you to bite the part where the chicken is. I haven't had chicken patty in years. Yes? Alright. Look at Sarah. Sarah killing her patty. Go on with yourself, yes, princess. She killing it, you know? Babe turn. Let's see his reaction in eating chicken patty for the first time. But you're biting crust. I want you to bite the meat.
You have to start with the crust.
Yeah, but bite at the side. No.
Next bite.
Next bite is the good bite. Next bite, you're all in. That's it. That's it. That's the bite.
What?
It's my second favorite patty.
Not bad.
Okay.
Mama.
It's good.
It is very good.
Mama.
I love chicken patty.
I don't really have a favorite patty.
Okay. You don't have a favorite because you'd always eat cheese patty.
I don't really have. I don't have.
So you don't really know the options.
I don't have no favorite because I love all of the one that I already eat.
So when we go to Jamaica the next time, we're going to try almost all of them. Deal?
But it's going to be expensive.
Yes, so we're just going to have to save for it.